Before the start of excavation work for the foundation of a building, the center lines and the foundation of the building must be marked on the ground as per the layout plan. This process is known as setting out or layout marking, which involves driving the pegs and constructing the pillars. In this video, you will see the marking for excavation being carried out at site. The center line of the longest outer wall of the building is marked on the ground by stretching a string between the pegs embedded in the pillar. This line serves as a reference line for marking the center line of all the other walls of the building. Project the pegs above the ground level and drive them at a distance of about 2 meters from the edge of excavation so that they are not disturbed. Stretch a string joining the corresponding pegs at the two ends of the line. The boundary of the trench to be excavated can be marked on the ground with dry lime powder. The center lines of other walls, which are perpendicular to the long wall, are then marked by setting out right angles. Right angle can be set out by forming a triangle with 3, 4 and 5 units long sides. The diagonals should be checked for ensuring right angles at all the corners. The top of the pillar is plastered and is set at the same level, preferably at the plinth level or floor level of the building. Pegs are embedded in the pillars and corresponding lines are marked on the wet plastered surface by pressing the stretched string on surface by a trowel. The outside lines of the foundation trench are marked in the similar way. Before starting excavation, the strings are stretched between the outside lines of the foundation trench marked over the pillar top, and the cutting lines are marked on the ground by lime powder. Setting out or marking is the process of establishing center lines to transfer the foundation plan from drawing to ground. The pillars constructed around the peg should not get disturbed during excavation. The diagonals should be measured to check the right angles.